Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. These are my tomato plants. I've got some marigolds and I paid 50 cents a piece for these tomato plants. They were looking kind of lowly, but I've been babying them, put a little bit of fertilizer near them, and they're mulched in rabbit manure, and I've been watering them every evening. You can give them a little bit of a jump start. This is a trellis that Sandy over at Sandy's Adventure Channel advised me to set up, and it's nothing but a piece of plastic lattice on a green T-post, and it's zip tied to it. And I kind of cut it at an angle at the bottom where I could stick it down in the dirt just to make it a little bit more secure. But let's look at the rest of the garden. In the round, that is bok choy cabbage. I think that's how you say it. It's Chinese lettuce. These are Brussels sprouts. And this is I forgot, broccoli. And that down there is butter crunch lettuce. So I can have me a good salad off of this side anyway. And I've got a load of topsoil coming in because I can get a load of topsoil and that'll go a lot further than these bags of potting soil. And I've got enough of rabbit manure where I can mulch everything in rabbit manure, so I'll give my garden a little head start and getting that yellowy leaf off, taking too much energy from the rest of the plant. But I just put these stakes in here. I was helping clean out this house for these people I work for, and I must have got $2,000 worth of stuff. They were just throwing stuff away, and they had these stakes and some fertilizer, and I got all kinds of stuff. I could have got more if I had a truck and a trailer, but I got enough. A lot of it's going to the antique booth to be sold, and it kind of hurt me. They were throwing away a lot of black and white photos just because. But I've still got the other raised bed. This is a raised bed I got off Craigslist for 20 bucks. And when I get the topsoil delivered, I'm going to finish filling it up with that, and then I'll do some planting. And I've got 2 other beds. I had to remodify my other bed I made, and I made a smaller bed to come out here too. And I'm going to keep adding some beds, and because I'm trying to grow as much as I can. Make sure I've got good food source. Well, that's it on the Raised Beds Gardens. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.